Hello everyone, welcome to the new lessons. First of all, let's check our homework. Please open your workbook page 55. Exercise number 1. You will listen and draw lines.
Listening 16. Listen and draw lines. 1.
My friends and I are going for lunch together. Oh, that's nice. What are you going to have? We all want different things. Nya is having cookies. Oh, yes. I can see Nya. She has cookies on her tray.
2.
So where is your friend Lum? Lum is having an apple. He likes healthy food. Yes, an apple is a good choice.
3.
Kim chooses healthy food too. She's having an orange. Oh, yes. Good choice, Kim.
4.
Where is Hua? She's there on the end. Hua is having an egg. Oh, yes, I see her now.
5.
And who else is having lunch with you? Lee is having lunch. And what is Lee having? She's having some noodles.
6.
So is there anyone else? Yes, there's me, Zheng. Of course. And what are you having, Zheng? I'm having bread. Bread is my favorite.
Now let's check the answers with me. Okay, let's continue. Exercise number 2. You will complete the question and write the answers. Now look at this picture. Would you like some salad? No thanks, because she is unhappy. Number 3. Would you like an ice cream? No thanks. And number 4. Would you like a banana? Yes, please. Okay, now let's move on. Page 56. Now look at this picture. Number 1 is already. Number 2, would you like a melon spicy? No thanks. Number 3, look at Mark. Would you like some meat, Mark? Yes, please. And number 4, what is it? Would you like some cereal, Mark? No thanks. Now you look at Emma. Would you like a lemon, Emma? Yes, please. And number 6, would you like a cucumber, Emma? No, thanks. Now, exercise number 2, what would you like for your dinner? I'd like some meat, an egg, and some tomatoes for dinner. This is an example. You can write what's your favorite food for dinner, okay? Now class, check out your student book. Unit A, Lesson 5, Skill Time. First of all, we will look at these new words. First, I want you to listen and point.
Listening 77. Listen and point. Sauce. Mushrooms. Pastry. Garlic. Bean sprouts. pastry, bean sprouts, mushrooms, garlic.
Okay, now I want you to repeat after me. Socks, socks, mushrooms, mushrooms, pastry, pastry, garlic, garlic, bean sprouts, bean sprouts. Very good. Now, look at the picture. Tell me, what can you see in the picture? Very good. First, we can see pastry, okay? Bean sprouts, garlic, onion, mushroom, socks, and chicken. Very good. Now I want you to underline these ingredients in the passage. Okay, time's up. Let's fire together. Yes, some squares of pastry, some socks, mushrooms, some bean sprouts, an onion, garlic, and some chicken. Very good, student. Okay, now let's listen to the audio.
Listening 78. Listen and read.
My favorite dish. Today I want to tell you how to make my favorite dish. You need some squares of pastry and some sauce made from fish. You need mushrooms and some bean sprouts, and you cook them in a pot. You add onion and garlic, and you make them nice and hot. You need some chicken now, and you fry it in a pan. Put everything in a dish and mix as much as you can. Put everything on the pastry, then fold and roll. Fry it in a pan and put it in a bowl. We're almost done, but you need the sauce made from fish. Eat them together, and that's my favorite dish.
Okay, now I give you 30 seconds to underline how to make the favorite dish, how to make this food. Okay, time's up. Now let's fire together. Cook them in the pot. Yes, we cook these ingredients in the pot. Make them nice and hot. Fry it in a pan. Mix as much as you can. Put everything on the pastry. Then fold and roll. Fry it in a pan and put it in a bowl. The last one, you need the sauce made from fish to eat them together. Okay, very good. Now, student, I want you to repeat after me. Today, I want to tell you how to make my favorite dish. You need some squares of pastry and some sauce made from fish. You need mushrooms and some bean sprouts, and you cook them in a pot. You add onion and garlic, and you make them nice and hot. You need some chicken now, and you fry it in a pan. Put everything in a dish and mix as much as you can. Put everything on the pastry, then fold and roll. Fry it in a pan and put it in a bowl. We're almost done, but you need the sauce made from fish. Eat them together, and that's my favorite dish. Okay, very good, student. Now let's move on to the last one. You read the passage again and write true or false. I give you 30 seconds to do it. Now let's start. Now time's up. Let's check together. Number 2. You need some chicken. Do you think true or false? True. Okay. Number 3. You need some mushrooms. True or false? True. Number 4. You cook the pastry in the pot. True or false, class? False. Number 5. You fry the chicken in a pan. True or false? True. And the last one, you put everything under the pastry. True or false? False. Okay, very good, student. I hope you will have all correct answers. Now, class, this is the end of our lesson today. Remember to learn new words, page 62. Do workbook, page 58. Now, goodbye, class. See you on the next lesson.